Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat Sport with the 502A package in a special edition. Now the exterior color is an Oxford white, as well as we have our aftermarket special edition decals on the left and right side, including the hood as well. And at the front, we have our LED high and low beam headlamps, as well as our LED daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps, as well as two tow hooks and our engine block heater. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum tarnished wheels, wrapped in our Goodyear tires, as well as our OEM running boards, our color matched mirror caps, and color matched door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear and our dual panoramic moonroof on top. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our spare fifth wheel. We also have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as our LED taillights and our locking tailgate. And inside the box, we have a spray and bed liner with our LED lighting and tie-down points. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power locks with memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as our Lariat also comes with our blind spot information system. And over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, our LED lighting under our mirrors, with our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings, and our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls. Now as we look up, we have our auto dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage door opener points, and the dual panoramic moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have nice black and red stitching with a fully leather interior with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 48,137 kilometers on this F-150. And as we look over, we have our Sync 3 in-its touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, and navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And underneath we have controls for our sync, and just below that we have our dual climate control area, which includes an air conditioned and heated seat for both driver and passenger. And underneath we have our 12-volt adapter with our dual smart charging USB ports, and at our console we have our manual select shift option, as well as our dual cup holders and our center console with tons of storage underneath and 2 more cup holders in the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy tons of door storage, as well as power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and in the rear of the passenger seat. At the back of the center console, we have our AC outlet, dual heated seats, as well as a 12-volt adapter with your own ventilation system. Now with this 60-40 bench seating arrangement in the second row, we have tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.